Good morning. I wanted to share with you this little bit of a journey. It's time is it? It's 2:56 in the morning. At 3 o'clock, Lyft is offering a 60% turbo. I don't usually drive on a Thursday morning, but I wanted to see, are there even any rides? And if there are, then they'll be worth it. So I will keep you posted on my results at the end. All right. So that's the story. It's early. I got up early. I always get up early, but I don't usually drive on a Thursday. This is my normal drive time on Friday and Saturday. But 60% turbo. Let's see what happens on a Thursday. Maybe Thursdays are great days. You know, this is how we find out, right? We go out, we try something, and see if it works. All right, results next. All right, and here's what we're working on. The turbo, right there, 60%, and then at 4 a.m. it goes to 30%, which is not bad at all. So let's see what we can do out there. All right, and here are the final results. I made $144.51 with Uber, and I made $31.23 with Lyft, and that's in about 5.5 hours. But as you can see, down towards the bottom, I only had one ride in the turbo time. All the other rides are outside of the turbo time. So the turbo time, they offer 60%, but there's no rides. So when I'm waiting and I get an Uber ride, I take it. And then I'm waiting again, I get an Uber ride, I take it. And then Uber gives me another ride and I take it. Before you know it, the turbo time is over. So I got close to my $180 goal, but the turbo, at least on this day, turned out to be a big bust.